Ida Ayu Anamrastiti, mahasiswa berprestasi from Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Kesehatan Bali. Now, I would like to explain my project, which titled Prevention of Dengue Hemorrhagic Fever based on community through awake-awake and village activity in Bali Province. But before I give you further explanation about my project, I would like to give you the definition of dengue hemorrhagic fever. Dengue hemorrhagic fever is one of born mosquito viral disease that become a world concern nowadays. This kind of disease is caused by a virus that we call as a dengue virus. Dengue virus is spread by the mosquito that we know as Aedes aegypti. Actually, Aedes aegypti is not born with a dengue virus. But when this mosquito bites someone who got dengue fever, this mosquito will be infected and also this mosquito will be carrier of dengue virus. Dengue hemorrhagic fever is one of problems in subtropical and tropical country in the world, include Indonesia. On 2011, in Indonesia, according to the Ministry of Health Republic of Indonesia, 65,725 cases of dengue hemorrhagic fever were reported. Not only that, 7 provinces in Indonesia also have the high number of incident rate of dengue hemorrhagic fever, and one of them is Bali. Bali, as the province with the highest incident rate of dengue hemorrhagic fever in Indonesia. Actually, our governments already create several programs and also policy to prevent this kind of disease, and one of them is through 3M movement. But what is the result? The result is still not good enough. So, based on this kind of fact, I would like to propose a new proposal, a new model of prevention to decrease the number of the dengue hemorrhagic fever itself. My new proposal is prevention of dengue hemorrhagic fever based on community through awake-awake and village activity in Bali Province. In this case, I would like to use Bali as the setting of my proposals because Bali is the province with the highest incident rate of dengue hemorrhagic fever in Indonesia. The main idea of my proposals is empowering community in preventing and also eradicating the number of dengue hemorrhagic fever. Awake-awake and village activity will be a tool for our community to prevent the spreading of dengue virus itself. Awake-awake is a local customary law that have been created by the villagers in Bali. In my proposals, I would like to use awake-awake as a tool to prevent the spreading of the dengue virus itself. How? I would like to create a regulation in awake-awake that force all of the villagers to do 3M plus movements to decrease the number of dengue hemorrhagic fever. Not only through awake-awake, through village activity, I would like to decrease the spreading of dengue hemorrhagic fever itself. What I mean by village activity? Village activity that I mean in this case is, I would like to conduct a competitions about free larva mosquito contest in every single house in that village. What I mean in this contest is, I would like to force or ask all of the villagers to do 3M plus movements in order to decrease the spreading of the dengue virus itself. The indicator that I will use to decide the winner of this competition is using free larva mosquito index. So, the house that have 0 free larva mosquito index will be the winner of this competition. I hope with this proposal, we can decrease the number of the dengue hemorrhagic virus itself. Not only that, through these proposals, we can increase the health status of our society. So, in the end of the day, we can get a better community and also a better future.